Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1061 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I am so excited to try out a ShopMissA product. It's been a little while since I've tried out a ShopMissA product, but I love trying out these super affordable, cruelty-free makeup products, and I just did a huge haul at ShopMissA. I ordered during Cyber Week and got 25% off everything, which was already super cheap. And so this here is one of the products I got. If you want to see all of the products I got and you want to see my haul, I'll have that video linked in the description down below. I got a lot. And I got a lot of primers because they seem to have a lot of new primers that had come out recently, and I'm really excited to try them out. So this one here is the AOA Studio Perfect Filter Face Primer. It says it's supposed to minimize pores, and that is something that is usually my primary focus when it comes to primers, because I definitely deal with large pores along my cheeks and my nose. Sometimes I'll have large pores on my chin, but that's something that I really want my primer to help with. It's also supposed to extend the wear of makeup, leave a smooth, even skin surface. And this is a charity edition, so it says it retails for $1.55, which is not much at all. Most of the ShopMissA products are $1, but occasionally they'll be a little bit more expensive. And this says part of the proceeds support animals in need, which of course I love that. I don't mind spending a little bit more on a product for it to go to charity. I think the packaging on this is cute. It seems like a decent sized product too for that price. It has the little squeezy tube. So what I'm going to do is just start out by applying it to half of my face. That way I can compare the difference in how my pores look, all of that. So I'm just going to squeeze out a little bit. It says you really only need a small amount, so let's see how this does. And I'm just going to apply it to my entire half of my face. Oh, whoa. This does have kind of a scent to it, but a really nice scent. Like, to me, this scent kind of smells like expensive skincare. Like, it's a really nice, fresh scent. And it seems to have like the consistency of almost like a lotion. Like, it's kind of thin, almost like a jelly lotion, but makes it super easy to apply and blend out. And so it really does seem like a little bit goes a long way. But I am using a bunch of little dollops to get each section of my face. Okay, so now that it's applied to half of my face, I seriously do not see any difference. Like, the pores look exactly the same. Like, they really don't look minimized at all or smoothed over. And I definitely feel like I used the right quantity. Like, I've actually had this on my face for a little bit to see how it would settle. And alone, it doesn't look like anything. But I'm gonna just leave it on half of my face now and go ahead and apply my foundation. And I'm using the foundation that I always use when I try out primers. It's the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation, because this foundation really shows how your skin is underneath. And that's why I love primers, because they can make such a difference in how your makeup looks. But so I'm gonna just go ahead and apply the foundation all over. Even though it doesn't have like a tacky feel at all, like, it really doesn't leave much of a texture, it basically just kind of settles like lotion. It seems to make it so that my foundation is sticking. Like, I'm able to get some coverage, feel like it's blending out smooth and even. I don't feel the foundation like super gripping onto it, but it's not like it's slipping around too much. And just looking like before I even apply the foundation on the other side at my pores here, it's not like they look completely smoothed or minimized. But let's see how it looks with the foundation on so I can really compare it. I don't know. To me, it basically looks 100% the same. No difference with or without it. Like, you wouldn't be able to tell at all that these pores were smoother because they're not perfectly smooth. Like, there's still the pore texture, same as on this side. I also have some dryness on my chin, and the dryness on my chin looks exactly the same, like dry texture that's peeking through the foundation on the side with the primer versus without it. So it didn't hydrate my skin anymore. I'm really not getting any like additional coverage from the side with the primer. Seriously, I feel like I'm trying to look for all of the possible like benefits and properties that a primer could do to the skin or the makeup, and there's just no difference. So my foundation is fully applied right now. No difference. No difference in how smooth my pores look. No difference in like the glow to the skin or the hydration. Like, I'm bummed to see so much dryness on my chin still with the primer on. So when a product really makes no difference, I don't see the point in spending the time or the money. Even though it's inexpensive, it's just, to me, kind of a waste because there's really no difference, no benefit to wearing this primer at all. Well, I'm very curious if you have tried out the AOA Studio Perfect Filter Face Primer, what your thoughts are. What difference did it make in how your skin or your makeup looks? It does say it's supposed to extend the wear of your makeup, so I can put in the description down below a wear test to let you know if maybe this side of my makeup lasts longer or looks any different as the day goes on. So I'll put that in the description. Make sure to check that out if you're curious. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.